Think SUVs can't be sporty? Think again. Toyota is shaking things up with the all-new 2026 RAV4 GR Sport, bringing serious performance to America's favorite compact SUV. Buckle up, because this is not your average family hauler. A sportier RAV4? Finally. For years, the Toyota RAV4 has been the king of practicality. Reliable, spacious, but let's be honest, not exactly thrilling. That changes in 2026 with the GR Sport trim, Toyota's answer to drivers who want performance and utility. Aggressive styling upgrades. This isn't just a badge job. Toyota went all out. GR Corolla-inspired grille for a meaner face. Massive roof spoiler, one of the biggest in its class. 20-inch alloy wheels, filling out those muscular wheel arches. Exclusive supersonic red and black roof option for maximum presence. Interior touches, subtle but sporty. The cabin keeps it clean but adds GR branded flair. GR logos on the steering wheel and headrests, paddle shifters and aluminum pedals for a driver-focused feel. Performance tweaks, more than just looks. Toyota's Gazoo racing team had a hand in tuning this SUV, and it shows. GR tuned suspension for sharper handling, enhanced power steering and increased body rigidity. 320 horsepower plug-in hybrid powertrain, standard all-wheel drive for better grip. What do you think? Would you take the RAV4 GR Sport over a traditional hot hatch? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more car news, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.